Hey guys, what's up? Shekhar Suman here from Biotechnica, and yes, आपने सही पढ़ा. You read it right. CSIR HRDG called me. Now, how they called me, I'm going to tell you the entire story. So, if you go a few years back, in 2019, CSIR had launched a grievance portal, and anyone can go and lodge a grievance, and you get a ticket number, and they have to close the ticket. So their department has to close the ticket, and whatever grievance you have, you can post there, you can lodge there. So I knew that. I went ahead and lodged a grievance, and it took a month for them, probably a month for them to respond back. So just yesterday I received a call, and the call was from a lady. She identified herself from a CSIR. Of course, the number was from CSIR. I later verified it. So she called me and she asked, what is my grievance? And I'll play the call recording now for you so that you can hear for yourself what they have to say, and then I'll tell you my pointers. Let's get started.
Hello.
हेलो
Yes.
सुमन, शेखर सुमन.
हाँ बोल रहे हैं.
सर मैं CSIR से बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ बोलिए.
जी सर, आपने एक ग्रीवांस डाली है. मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम सुनना चाहती थी. क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप लोग एग्जाम कंडक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो CSIR नेट का. 1.5 साल हो गया.
जब तक हमें ऊपर से ऑर्डर नहीं आएंगे हम कर नहीं सकते हैं. और अगर आपकी ज्यादा एक क्वेरी है तो मैं आपको मेल आईडी दे रही हूँ एग्जाम की. आप उस पर बात कर लीजिए. DS एग्जाम @ CSIR HRDG .REX.in.
ओके. तो एग्जाम का कुछ तो न्यूज होगा आपके पास कि कब होगा?
नहीं, अभी नहीं सर, अभी तो कोई न्यूज नहीं है.
कोई भी न्यूज नहीं है.
नहीं.
अच्छा.
और सर एक वो है आपके, मैं आपको एक टेलीफोन नंबर देती हूँ, आप उस पर भी कॉल कर सकते हैं.
हाँ बोलिए.
011
2584
3504.
3504. मैं तो फोन करता हूँ, कोई उठाता ही नहीं है उस नंबर पे.
इस नंबर पर कोई नहीं उठा रहा सर?
नहीं.
कॉल तो वर्किंग में है सर. आप मेल कर दीजिए, मेल का रिप्लाई आ जाएगा.
ठीक है. तो कोई आपके पास न्यूज नहीं है कि कब होगा एग्जाम?
नहीं सर, अभी तो फिलहाल कोई नहीं है. जो आपको उस पर दिख रही होगी वेबसाइट पर, वही न्यूज है हमारे पास.
अच्छा. तो कब मतलब नोटिफिकेशन आएगा? अभी तो ट्वीट आया था कि सून होगा, लेकिन अभी तक हुआ नहीं.
सर अभी तो वही हमारे पास भी यही है कि सून होगा, बट अभी तक तो और कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है.
अच्छा. प्लीज कुछ कीजिए ना. आप लोग बच्चों के भविष्य का सवाल है, वो बेचारे रिसर्चर्स हैं, है ना?
जी.
ठीक.
सर मैं आप.
All right. So now that you have heard the call transcript, you know what's happening. The lower strata, the lower department level employees of CSIR HRDG don't even know what's happening. They said all they know is whatever is being told to all of us. So there is limited information. And she gave us the email ID and phone number of the examination conducting department. Of course, I tried calling them, I have emailed them. At the time of shooting this video, neither they have picked any calls, nor they have responded to my email. So that's the update for you. Now, something which I want to make highlight for all of you, that is, you see what's happening. She said, we don't have any information. The order has to come from higher up. Now, the higher up should be obviously at the director level or the minister level, right? Now, that is where it is stuck probably. So that can only happen. We can get it unstuck only if we all protest in a democratic way. And one of the best ways from wherever you are is the petition which we have started. The petition link is in the link in the description below. Please click that and sign the petition, and please share this video with all your friends and foes so that they also know what's happening around. They also know that just merely waiting for the exam is not going to help us. We will have to really take charge. If you remember a few years back when our fellow students were protesting for a hike in fellowship, they had to really do a big protest. That's how a hike happened, right? I'm not asking you to do anything for which you have to come out of your homes and go anywhere. All you have to do is sign this petition on change.org, which I have started. Please help me help all of you by taking charge and taking this initiative. Now, I'll not rest right here. I'll keep trying, I'll keep pursuing CSIR HRDG to get the rightful piece of exam which you all deserve, right? At Biotechnica, we firmly believe that you all are an asset to this nation, to this world, and we must give you the rightful opportunity, and CSIR HRDG must conduct this exam and the notification must come within a week. So let us join hands, guys. Let us protest democratically and let the people at the higher echelons know what can be done when the Janta ki Awaaz comes together. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll update you as soon as I get any updates from them. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.